This lesson is a response to Drex's tutorial challenge on
the Triquetra.
And before we dive in, I want to give special thanks to the friends of the channel. The basic idea of Triquetras with fans is super simple. It's just a weave, like a forward weave for example, but your hands at the same time is going in the direction opposite to the direction of the rotation of the fan. That is, if fan rotates this way, your hand is going the opposite way in a circle or in a triangle if you prefer, and then it draws kind of the anti-spin free petal flower, like so. So let's study some basic variations of this move.
Hear my voice, this is Odin calling you. Times have changed, I'm a tenth no more war trucks, design of furniture, master of IKEA. Just like Jesus, I'm a commander, forging tales with the hammer of Thor. Gloria Patri furniture, best enorme IKEA. For the batting and the caving, sing with me the hallelujah.
That was an exercise for the full Triquetra and the six-petal flower that you can make with it. However, there is also the reduced Triquetra, that is the three-petal flower that is confined only to one side of your body. That is, if before we did like the full move that covers the whole space, we can also do it only on the one side, like so. Transform this three-petal flower into the full four-petal flower, you need to add a turn, either a turn on your hand or a 360 turn of your body. For example, if you do this half side Triquetra, you can add a rotation here to get the four-petal flower. Alternatively, you can add a pirouette, like so, to get to the initial point and do the four petals. Let's do an exercise. And now the intermediate level. You can not only get the Triquetra from the weaves on the native side, like so, but also from the weaves on the opposite side, that is, from the cross weaves that we learned before. Right? In this case, you need to move your hand on the other side in the opposite direction, like so. Let's do some exercises. By the way, that crosser move is pretty tough, so don't get upset if you cannot make it right away. However, we have to go deeper. Let's say we really want to do four-petal flower, not three-petal flower, but we don't want to do it using just a rotation up in the ring because it's kind of boring. And we really want to use this cool, sexy style with weaves and only the weaves. But there's a problem. As you know, four-petal flowers consist of 3 rotations of the fan, essentially. Whereas the weave, 2-bit weave, has only 2 beats between 2 circles. So 2 doesn't equal 3, and you cannot really get to the initial point. So, but there is a solution. You can actually do 2 4-petal flowers, which will make 6 circles of the fan. And 6 can be divided by 2, and you get 3, right? So it means by doing 3 2-bit weaves, you can get 2 4-petal flowers. That's how it works. This move is called Voyage flower. Nazywam się Polski, bo nauczyłem się tego w Gdańsku. Cześć Sirik, zielona nasza. Here's what's going on. We are trying to do the 4-petal flower using only the weaves. So let's start with our normal position and go back, down, forward and up. Here we arrive to our initial point, but with completely different orientation of our hand. So to go back to the original point, which was like this, we need to continue the flower. Go back to the other side, forward, and to the top. And now we return to our original position. As for the other hand, let's say it starts from here, the left one. It goes forward, up, behind the head, down, and as you can see again, it's a different position than the one we started in. So we continue forward, up, back, down, and that completes the move. So the move is completed in 2 cycles. This is what it's supposed to look like in the end.
He tried to seek a friendly diplomat police stand. Non-disposable hero in a cockpit of hand. It's a serial killer, completely sugar-free, drowning enemies in pots of herbal tea.
So, that's all you need to know about the
Weave-Triquetra
with fans. And now I'm going to introduce you the best fan spinners of 2019. And the number one, the winner, the best spinner of the universe is... Oh my god, it's me! Guys, when I posted this challenge on my own channel, I couldn't imagine somebody will vote for me, but now I see it. I mean, I kinda knew it anyway all the time, but come on, thank you so much.
I did it. I did it and I won and I beat them all.
By the way, that's the end of the season. See you in hell.